Hi Divas, I have a special treat for you today. These are my favorite cartoon in the world, the Peanuts Gang. And Diamond Dotz has created a kit, a partial kit, for Charles Schulz for the Peanuts Gang. And the finished size of this one is, let's see. Let's see. In centimeters, it's 46 by 25 and a half. That means it's 18 inches by 10 inches. And it's only 9 colors, but let me show you this gorgeous kit. I'm going to get this done in short order, short time. I had opened this up before to show you before, but again, the little card shot across the room, so I'm doing it again. But no big deal. The partial is that you are only doing the figures. You have Sally and Linus and Charlie Brown and Lucy and Snoopy and 2 Woodstocks on here, and they're walking through the schoolyard. They're cute. Cute, cute, cute. 9 colors, no ABs. It doesn't need them. It doesn't need them. So flippin' cute. And let me see the kit. They give you your basic kit. Pen, squishy, pot of wax, gray boat, and a few baggies. And the 9 colors. I don't see that there are any ABs among them, but they don't have to be. Look how brilliant that yellow is. Holy cow. Comes with a lot of black, but the black will outline the rest of the colors, just like a line drawing. Look at all those colors. Vibrant. And it will be easy to kit up. It will be so easy to kit up. I have Peanuts comics from 1960s. I have some in different languages from places I visited, and I have the collections. I just laugh and laugh sometimes. Sometimes it's their philosophy, you know, they're just their wisdom in life. That's like, yeah, you know, that's really true. Yeah. And it comes with their the name of the painting and their inventory number. That also comes on the bottom of the canvas. I miss seeing my favorite ones for this holiday season. I think some of the networks were having a hard time putting it up because it had a religious undertones in the main one, in the Christmas one, and that disappoints me so much. I love it just the way it always was. I like the new ones too, but I always liked the way it was. Anyway, there's a lot of color blocking in this, meaning that there is large areas of just one color. But that's the way the cartoons are, nice and vivid. So these are my favorite characters. Who are your favorite characters? Whether it's in the Peanuts Gang or in another cartoon, who is your favorite? Can't wait to hear. I wanted to give you a really quick peek at the finished product. This is really cute. I really like this. Again, it's a Diamond Dotz, and it's a legally licensed Snoopy image, Peanuts Gang image, and it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so basic and cute. There are 9 colors altogether. Very basic colors, very traditional colors for these characters. It's so cute. I need to find a frame for it so that I can hang it up in my bedroom with my other Snoopy stuff, where I keep my Snoopy collection. So, alright, I just wanted to show you the final product. And I wanted to say I hope you can stick around on Tuesday nights for our Tuesday Night Live, our Tea and Talk Tuesdays, where you can bring your your whip, your work in progress, and your favorite beverage, and hang out with the Workbasket crew. And happy to see you. I hope you found some value in this video and in all the Workbasket videos, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye, Divas.